a better job.
Somebody else want to do this? Oh no!
Wait, what? Oh! He's on the thing!
We have to wind it up.
I feel slightly responsible for that.
Hey, how's it going, guys? Spy here. Welcome back to another Human Fall Flat episode of the Frustrated Gamer as the Baldy,
Yeah.
Model Gaming as Freddy, Beautiful Obi as the neighbor, and me as Granny.
He's on my mustache.
Hey, let go of his mustache.
That's it.
What? No,
Okay,
I will not stand for this. I will not stand for this.
Okay,
Oh!
okay, Brandon. Wait, never mind. Alright, we're gonna get back up.
Watch out, Granny! Oh!
We're gonna
Jeez.
swing. Hold on,
Sorry.
swing.
I apologize.
Anyways, guys, this level is called Intermediate. Let's see what it means about intermediate.
I don't like the sound of that. I like easy and only easy.
All right, let's see
This
what we're looking
does
at
not
here.
look easy, guys.
Oh,
No.
so my caliber, stand back, boys.
Careful.
Whoa.
I'm surprised I was able to get over the bridge. That's my level.
Wait.
Wait.
Oh,
Why did
goodness.
you press that?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I'm going
Wait.
first. Wait, did we go?
Did we just go?
Press the
Okay,
button.
let's
Come on,
jump
do
in.
it.
Don't press the button. Nope,
don't
whatever
touch
you
the
do,
camera.
don't press the button.
Don't press the button on Granny.
Oh my goodness. OB, this is bad.
Press the button now. Press the
No,
button.
no, no.
No, don't press the button. I'm stuck.
Ah!
No,
Oh. Every time you die, Spy, I land on you.
I know. All right.
Okay.
I think
We
we gotta
this.
do this one at a time.
Guys,
Okay.
I'm stuck on this thing. Press the button.
Hold on, we're coming.
We're coming, buddy. Bouncies.
Boing, boing, boing.
Okay, Komodo, here we go.
Okay, go ahead.
Hang on for your life.
I need another button press, please. Boop.
Okay.
I just punched that hard.
Oh, I see you.
I need another
Hang on
button
for
press.
your life.
One more.
Okay, Komodo, let's go.
Okay.
Hang on there, buddy.
Okay.
You got this, buddy. You gotta get to the checkpoint, right?
Yep, working on it.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Wait, wait a second.
oh. Sorry, OB.
Let's go, Komodo.
Sorry.
I'm here.
Okay. Granny!
Oh no!
Ding dong!
What
I did
happened?
it. I pushed him by accident.
Oh, wait, did you get to the checkpoint?
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
checkpoint
good.
achieved. Checkpoint achieved.
Oh.
Okay. Guys, we're gonna move a platform here.
No!
Hey,
No,
hey,
Granny,
Freddy,
we're
what are you
going.
doing?
Got me by the neck. Help.
That's my girlfriend, Granny.
Uh-oh.
Wait,
Whoa.
Spice your girlfriend?
I'm